Welcome back, everybody. I have another race for you today. Today we're doing a 2010 EVO 10 Special Edition. I'm very excited about this one. Sergio is actually going to help out today. I've never had someone come along and help out with filming before, but it should be fun. This is my friend Alex.
How you doing?
Alex is going to tell us about the car real quick, and then we'll go do it. So it's a 2010. What are the specs on this?
All right, so it's a turbocharged. You know, it has the 4B11T engine. That's a newly designed engine that they came up for the EVO 10. This one though, it's a little bit faster than the, well actually yeah, it's like 20 horsepower faster than the MR edition, the Touring edition. Okay. So this one is 291 horsepower. The MR is like, what, 270, 260, around there. So,
okay.
Yeah, so this one, you know, they made it a little faster. This one is like a mixture between the GSR and the MR, so it's better. That's what I was reading, yeah. Yeah, so another thing is that they took from the MR was the paddle shifters. Paddle shifters, man, oof. Very cool. I'm getting used to them. But yeah, nothing too crazy. I mean, it's still stock right now. Okay. Something I'm looking forward to change basically is the intercooler. Yeah. Because, man, these things overheats. Oh, dude, yeah. I ordered my intercooler and I'm still waiting on the charge pipes to come in. Okay. Super frustrating because like it's 100 degrees here right now. Exactly. It's ridiculous. This comes with Brembo brakes? Oh, those are huge. I am not too familiar with EVOs, so I'm kind of fascinated. Like, this is just one of those cars that I don't really see too often, you know? Oh yeah, they kind of rare, man. It was like, I got lucky. I think somebody in the military traded this in and got something else. Okay. Because this came from Arizona, I believe. And to find one that's stock is, that's even better. Yeah. Absolutely. Because not everybody gives this shit stock. You know? How many miles are on it? Right now, 77,000. Wow, that's not bad at all, so dude. It's like, yeah. For a car that was built to be tracked, yes. That's nothing, man. That's awesome. According to the report, it seems that everything is just like highway mileage. You know, it's not like you know. So, fun fact: Mitsubishi. Well, a big part of their operations years ago when they first started up was making turbochargers. Mm-hmm. My car uses a Mitsubishi turbocharger. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, wow. Yep. I did not know that. Pretty cool. But yeah, some big things are coming. The intercooler system. The intake is coming up, hopefully by August. Okay. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, you know, and I'm pretty sure Sergio is gonna be the one helping me out and shit. So. Sergio, yeah. Sergio's the guy to help out with that type of stuff.
Hey, you already know the garage is there, bro.
So again, if you guys haven't seen Sergio race Alex, you can see that video right up here. Hopefully it goes good for us today. I think it's gonna be a very, very close race, especially because Sergio's gonna be sitting in the passenger seat. But if you guys saw my last video, okay, I want to, right before we go out, I want to say my last video where I put a little bit of E85 mixed with my 91, it did work in the sense that it stopped the knot control from raising up during full throttle acceleration. Some people were making a fuss of it, so what I did was took the video down yesterday morning when I woke up and I see all these, you know, comments from when I was sleeping, and some people were definitely expressed their concern, some nicely, some not so nicely, and you know, I try not to let the comments get to me, but I do read every single comment. So I took the video down, and throughout the day I was like, you know what, screw that. I did a little more research and I'm like, this really isn't a bad thing. Like, it's not that bad. I didn't put too much E85 in. It did work. Like, the experiment was successful for what I was trying to achieve. So what I did was I had about 3/4 of a tank of gas this morning, and just to have a little more peace of mind, I went and I topped it up with 91. So I put like 4 gallons of 91 in or something like that, 3 gallons or 4 gallons. We're gonna see if the knot control is still bouncing up above 0.49. It might bounce up a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are off to the races once again. Very excited about today. It is 9:43 in the morning, 70 degrees out. I'm gonna bring up my tuner view right now so you guys can see my gauges. Dude, Sergio is...
Man, keep going straight.
Sergio is helping out today, bro.
Yes, sir.
40 or 30 first?
Let's do a 30.
30?
All right. Ow! He wants it, bro. He wants that 30 roll, man. He knows he's got more power than me. All right, what map should I go to? Map 3?
No, dude.
Oh, shit.
You trying to get a dub today or what?
I'm trying to get dubs, dude. my people need some wins, the Civic community. 50! Ready? 1, 2, 3! Got me, bro.
Do you have enough for another straightaway? We can switch seats after this run.
Let's get like a 15 roll.
15 roll. Want me to get on the
first gear? 15?
I'm gonna get on the other car now.
No. 1, 2, 3. I'm banging the gears, dude. It is.
0 to like between 0 and 30?
I want another 50 roll. I want another 50 roll.
You want another one? Or?
Obviously, because I won that one. Actually, should we put you in his car?
We should.
We should?
Yeah, you should probably do a 30 and a 50.
Dear passenger, please fasten your seatbelt.
Shut up, skank.
Whoa. Oh my god, I just realized my air conditioning was on. Good lord. Oh, get off. I'm not gonna use that as an excuse though. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, my knock control's at 0.7, so definitely not good. I think we're gonna get like a 30 roll. Sergio moved over to Alex's car. One, 2, 3, go! Boys, that was crazy. Holy shit, boys. Oh my god. Holy shit, boys. Oh my god. Bro, I think we're done. We are done. That's it. That's it. I know bad signs when I see them. We're done. That is a sign from up above telling us to stop. Bro! No, that cannot happen. You can see Sergio freaking out in there. No freaking way. Dude. No. No. We're done. Dude, that's crazy. I got a bad feeling in my stomach when I saw that. I was like, no, that's not supposed to happen, man. Oh my god.
I didn't expect the curve to be so soon, so I was like, oh, that was going 100.
Dude, you were using your cars to its full ability. Yeah. That's what it's made for, though. Like stuff like that. I literally Dude, I couldn't breathe when I saw that, dude.
Oh no, man, so ask him.
Oh my god.
If he was recording, you'll see me, man.
I could see Sergio like freaking out after.
Hey, I'm chilling, man. Hey,
Oh my god. How are you chilling right now, dude? We were going like
I'm alright, man.
we were going like 85 miles an hour on a 45 mile an hour turn. Oh my god, dude.
Nah, what got me was that I was switching lanes.
Holy
so
shit.
I was like really, like I was already. Like,
Yeah, you were going into the turn at the same time.
I'm down to the 50. I'm chilling.
Okay. Okay. Let's do
That's all you guys are.
let's do one more 50. Like I said, man, this is A+ content. It's a good thing we're in Mexico today. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, we're gonna go meet up and talk about this, maybe get lunch. That was nuts.
Unexpected results, bro.
Alright. We pulled over, we went to McDonald's because I was thinking to myself, we have to get together and like talk about this shit. Because that was crazy. Sergio was filming the whole time with his GoPro, so I told Sergio, take all that footage and put up your own vlog, like from your perspective, just like hanging out during some, you know, Mexico street races. Why not? So Sergio's gonna have his own vlog up. Dude, the thing that gets me is that after that situation, we pulled over and Alex, like, he wasn't phased, man. He wasn't even phased. I was like, holy shit, dude.
I mean, that's what we're out here for, you know? Like,
That is what we're here for. That is what we're here for.
it is what it is, man. It was something that just happened and just like, you know, get over it and just keep on racing, bro.
Yep.
Nah, but it was a little scary, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I was scared, bro. I was like,
Are you guys really doing this to me? Yeah. Today's the day we take your life, bro.
Oh, man.
Y'all are wild, bro.
No, but it was good. It was good.
I mean, obviously, our cars are in different classes. I mean, the MSRP on yours was like, back in 2010 was like 33, 34.
Yeah.
I read a bunch of reviews on it last night. I had to do a little bit of research.
All right.
And the MSRP on mine, 10 years later, is 25K, you know?
Oh,
So they definitely different build qualities and different levels of potential, you know?
Just make this my weekend car. Just make it poppin'.
Yeah.
So, MAPerformance, FYI, they have a. I don't know if you know if you got people who follow. What's your follow? MAPerformance.
MAPerformance?
Yeah.
That's I'm on their street team.
Oh, chef, real?
Yeah. Have you bought anything from them yet?
Not yet.
I have a link that you can use.
Okay.
And on your first order from MAPerformance, you'll get 5% off. Which, I mean, if you're getting like exhausted, that adds up, you know.
Send it to me, man.
Yeah, I'll send it to you. I put it in the description of my videos.
I'll take it, man.
Dude, no shit. MAPerformance, yeah. Awesome.
Yeah, they got some good content, good stuff in there. So I'll be looking at them.
All right, guys, that's all I'm gonna film for today. That was insane. I'm sure the comment section is gonna be crazy, but I'm gonna take a little break from the Mexico street racing just for a little bit. I'm gonna take some time to pray today. I'm gonna be focusing on like some visual modifications and get like a weighted shift knob and put the intercooler on, stuff like that. So that was crazy. Send this to all your friends. Have some good entertainment. But anyway, Sergio's gonna have his video up. I'll have a link to that in the description. And thanks for watching. Everybody thank Alex for coming out and Sergio. And I'll see you guys later. What's that?
You got stage 1?
I have stage 1 tune. With my tune, it's supposed to be like 235 wheel horsepower on 93 pump gas, but I can only find 91. And I played around and added a little bit of E85.
Okay. How does it feel?
I don't think it feels any different.
Some people say it does. You feel it.
Yeah. The purpose, I mean, I'm gonna eventually go flex fuel.
Okay. I don't know.
But I would like to be able to pay someone to upgrade the rods and pistons before I do that, because this is still a 1.5, very small engine. So 235 horsepower of a 1.5, that's already, you know, it's pushing it.
Yeah, definitely.
But I have faith in it. It's a Honda, so I have faith in it. But Yeah, man, that last run
It was
might
a good one. It's at the end. No, the end made it better.
that might.
And like I see that, like the road curving, and I just see you guys just focus, bro.
That might be. Dude, I was dedicated, man. I was looking straight ahead, dude.
He told me. I didn't hear what you said. You said something, and I thought get over. That's what I thought you said. But then I realized, oh shit, the turn is right.
Oh my god.
And then I was like, fuck.
Dude, this is crazy.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's why on every time I race, every time I'm on the right side lane or the right side lane, I slow down and let him like press over.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
He kept